Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can switch your homepage on Google Chrome in 2025 and beyond. So let us dive into this. Navigate to Google Chrome, open it on your desktop computer or laptop, and in the next step, navigate to your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here, by clicking into settings. There. Now inside your settings, guys, navigate to appearance here on the left panel. And inside your appearance settings, you will see the show home button feature. So if you'd like to enable it, toggle it on here to the right. That is going to enable the home button. So guys, if you'd like to set a custom website or web address to get redirected whenever you click into that home button, for example, I don't know, google.com for instance, simply navigate to the given website, copy the URL, head back to your settings here to appearance, and switch from new tab page to enter custom web address here and enter the address here. And now guys, whenever you click into that home button, you will be automatically redirected to that page. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video and got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.